Having problems on the road?
Are you shitting me?
Is AAA letting you down?
What kind of AAA do we have? Like, just to, like, pull a trike or what?
Are you clueless what's wrong with the vehicle? Don't worry, so are we, and we'll get through it together. The Black Moods are already in your area and available day or night.
Do it. Now, here. Under
The
lights.
struggles on the road are real. Don't sit around in a waiting room like a jackass. Call 1-800-THE-MOODS now. Right after playing a concert, there's nothing better to do than help out a person in need. The Black Moods professional pit crew is available when everyone else isn't. They'll make sure you get the perfect tire or repair. The Black Moods Auto and Tire Service. Call now.
I wish AAA was as responsive as Miller Lite is.